Right guys, I have now got my plating stuff back from Vernon Moss electrolyte plating for this Thunderace engine that I'm doing. For that up there, that one up there, that's what I've been waiting for to get all this shit done. So that's the oil pipe, which looks pretty cool. That's the radiator pipe. That's another coolant pipe from the water pump. And that. And then all the new shiny nuts and bolts. Well, they're not new, but you know what I mean. So I'm well happy. So now I've got all the nuts and bolts and all this, then I can start putting it back together. Obviously that one goes where, so what it's going to look like against the silver I don't know, but anyway, you know what I mean. It's we'll have to wait and see. So yeah, I'm well happy with that. Looks well smart, and this is nickel plating. I wanted it to be zinc plated, but there was a massive waiting list for zinc plating, so I went for the nickel plating instead, and that has come out excellent. That's lovely, is that? So what I'll do now is I will get a gasket set. I've started getting all my stuff ready. There's the seals in there, the Loctite, the assembly lube and all that shit. So I shall get a gasket set ordered, and then we can start building the engine back up. I'll put that lot in there. And then yeah, so I can start building that up then. So what I need to do then is get that old engine back up here on the bench. This one here, get it up on the bench, and then I can start getting the crank out of that one. Whoops! I can start getting the crank out of that one, measuring the crank up and stuff, and then we can start putting it back together. So that's it, guys. So the 400, I got some bits off eBay, but they're the wrong bits again, and I'm sick of buying bloody bits advertised as NC23 when they're not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do it as and when. I want to get this engine sorted now, so hopefully the next couple of videos will be about me reassembling the engine.